Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So we're gonna cook a egg with cheese on the top in the air fryer oven. Okay? Alright, and then we're gonna turn it into a breakfast sandwich. So after that, while it's cooking, I can do the two at the same time. I'm gonna toast the bun that it's gonna go on. Goes to show you, you don't have to go to McDonald's or Dunkin' Donuts to get a breakfast sandwich. You can do it right here at home for less the money. Okay? Alright, so let me adjust the camera. Let's get started. Okay, so I have here a slice of butter in it. This is a 9-inch cake pan that I'm going to use for the air fryer oven. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is melt the butter. So I'm going to put it in. I think 1 or 2 minutes is good for that. And we'll be right back on that. Okay, we have a minute left. Let's check on our butter. Okay, it's melted. So that only took a minute, not 2 minutes, okay? Okay, as you can see, I'm just spreading the butter around the pan so that the pan gets coated evenly, okay? Like so. Alright? Alright. Now we're gonna put an egg in here. I have 1 egg. If you want your egg scrambled, you just put it in a bowl and mix it up. There we go. Okay, so I have the 1 egg in. It's hot. It's hot. Okay, as you can see. Okay. Alright, let's put that in and get that started. While the egg is cooking, oh wait a minute, let me put some salt and pepper on it. We don't want, and I see a shell, let me get that out. There we go. If you see a shell, by all means, please get that out, else you'll bite into that and you won't like that. So here's some sea salt. And we're going to do some black pepper. Okay. Now we're going to put that in. And while that's cooking, we're going to toast the bread. Here's a rack here. I don't need to oil this rack because I don't want the oil on the bottom of the bread, okay? So I'm going to put that in on the top. And let that cook, okay? So once the egg cooks, then, well, maybe 3/4 the way, then we'll add the cheese, okay? Alright. And let's set that, that's on 370, and let's take this time back up. Because we cooked what did we cook for? Oh, the butter for 1 minute. Okay, I forgot. Alright, so I have 10 minutes set, but I don't think it's going to take 10 minutes. We'll see. We'll be back. Okay, so let's check on our bread. It's been cooking for 4 minutes. Okay, I think as you can see, this one's brown and this one's not. You see that? Goes to show you that even though it's the air fryer, they don't all cook evenly. That's why you got to move things around, turn them over, rotate, all of that, okay? So I'm going to take this one out because I don't want that to over brown. And I'm gonna leave this one in, okay? And actually, I'm gonna put the cheese on the top of that one and let it just brown right with the cheese. Now let's check on our egg. Here's our egg. Let me show you another side. You can't see it. Okay, that's better. You can see that. You see the egg? How about that, huh? In the air fryer oven. Now, you have a choice. You can leave it just like that, or you can break the yolk and let it run off and finish cooking that way. I think for me, I would like to break the yolk because I'm going to have it in the sandwich. So I don't want the yolk to be running all out the sandwich like that. Okay, so I broke the yolk. You can see it's runny. Let me show you. See? Okay. Alright, I'm going to put that back in with our cheese. I'm going to really watch the cheese because in a minute I'm going to have to take that out. We'll be right back. 1 minute. Okay, we're going to check on our cheese and the bun. Oh, no, you see it's not quite melted. See on this edge here? So let's put it back in. So I hope your day is doing well. I'm doing just good today. I feel good physically today, mentally. I just really feel good. It's a good day. Okay, let's check. Okay, that's good. Okay. Alright, so let's say that to toast our bun with the cheese, that took between 3 and 5 minutes, okay? Let's check on the egg. Okay, I think I'm satisfied with the egg. As you can see, can you see that? Cut that off. Okay, so now I have my sausage that I cooked in a previous setting. I'm going to heat this up for 1 minute in the microwave, and then I'm going to put it on the sandwich, okay? Okay. So this is the bottom of my bread. As you can see, I'm trying to pry the egg out of the pan. Okay. My sausage is heated up. I'm going to put that right on there. And that's hot. Ouch. And now I'm going to put the egg on top of the sausage. There we go. I want you to get a look at that. 1 second, let me clean this up. There we go. How about that, huh? So we have our sausage, our toasted bun with cheese, and the fried egg, all in the air fryer oven. The sausage was cooked in another setting. You can check that out. How about that? So let's do the math on that, okay? I paid $3.47 for the roll of Jimmy Dean sausage. I cut off 2 slices, which was about maybe 1/4 of the roll. The roll is, so I think that's, let's just say that's $1, okay, for the 2 sausages. I'm only using 1 right here, so that's 50 cents. The egg, we're going to call that another 25 cents, all right? And so let's see, so that's 75 cents. And then we have a slice of cheese. That's about maybe 10 cents. So we're up to 85 cents. And then we have the roll. The roll, I paid $2.50 for 6 of those. So let's add up another, I don't know, quarter or 50 cents for the roll. So for less than $1.50, we have a breakfast sandwich. How about that, huh? In the air fryer oven. So I'm going to close it up and we're going to take a bite. Let me take a picture first because the picture is everything, right? Let's take a picture. How about that? Great. I'm taking a bite. Mmm. I taste the crunchiness of the bread, the creaminess of the cheese, the yolk came through, and the sausage. Nice, nice flavor of Jimmy Dean sausage. I love it. Mmm. What an experience. Under $1.50. Homemade, cooked right in your house with the air fryer oven. You can't beat it. Okay? Alright, let me finish chewing and give you the word of the day. 1 second. Hi. Okay, I want to talk to you about anxiety and frustration. I'm not a doctor, but what I do know is I have some friends and relatives who suffer from anxiety, usually because what I can see is because when something happens to them or someone says something to them, it triggers a nervous reaction. And the nervous reaction could be that person could feel it within. Other people express it verbally, and other people show it physically. Either way, it affects you. What you should try to do is don't let things upset you anymore. You know what I mean? Because life is what it is. It's not going to change. You're not going to change nobody. You're not going to change what's coming down the pike for you. The only thing you can do is try to change yourself. In terms of when you get nervous and upset, tell yourself, okay, this is a trigger and I'm not going to react to it. I'm going to try to stay calm as I can, and stop. Every time it comes into your mind, try to think of something else to get it out of your mind. And hopefully by doing this enough, it might help. Okay? I'm not saying this is a guarantee. I'm saying try it. It might help. And if it helps you physically, mentally, and you learn new coping skills. Okay? So don't let anxiety get to you. You control the anxiety. Okay? This is Grandma Ray. Don't check out the links below. Thank you for subscribing if this is your first time. Please share the video because somebody needs to hear that word of the day. Somebody needs to know before they run out to McDonald's or Dunkin' Donuts that they can make a breakfast sandwich right at home for less than $1.50. Okay? Alright, and remember, Grandma Ray loves you. Bye-bye.